Right now we have a winter storm, and I wanted to go out for a few minutes to show you how it looks like outside. And I also need to clean my car, so I'll take you there. We still have our Christmas tree. And we have also a kind of closed parcel locker over here in our lobby. That's the mailboxes. And we have some plants here from my ninang Tina. We try to save the plants. And outside, it's a lot of snow. So I'll try to take you out for a short walk. And then I'm gonna clean my car too. Here we go. It's a winter wonderland. We have, today is a winter storm, a big winter storm here in Montreal. About 25 to 30 centimeters is expected, especially in the Toronto area in Ontario province. I'm going to my car. Here I'll show it to you. Well, first, this is my son's car. And my car is over there. That one. So I've got all the snow over here. It's like a snow bank that I have to go over. Let's see. Oh my God, my car is in the middle of all the snow. My goodness, I'll show it to you. Oh, how can I get out from there? Look at this. I'm in the middle of all the snow. How can I bring this to work tomorrow? Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy. How can I get in there? Let's see. Half of my car is buried. Yeah, it's half of the car is buried. Look at all the snow. Hey? Oh, there's a lot to shovel. Hey, where are you?
Oh yeah, here.
Come here.
I'm here in Canada. We're enjoying the snowstorm.
We have to open and clean.
Okay. But you're filming from where? From here? Like this? But I'm filming me, B. You have to go the other way, Chooch.
Like this. I'll try to open the car.
I'm just gonna go there for now. Wait, Beth. Yeah, wait. I'm just want to look. Yeah, we have to dig, get the shovel.
Open the door.
It's more snow here, yeah. Where's your cleaner? Where's your brush?
It's inside. Hold on. It's hot. Oh, it's over there. The shovel and look at this.
It's so deep,
So
man.
deep. Look how thick.
Yeah. Thank God I put my winter boots.
Hello, hi.
Hello, hi. Hi. It's your car. It's open. Don't lose your keys. Zipper your keys, you're gonna lose them.
Is that still running?
Yeah, it's still running. Look how deep it is.
I think I need that big one here. Can I have that?
Okay, you clean. I'll film. Yeah. We have to clean here too. We have to shovel here on the. Yeah.
With this, I don't think I can come out. I'll take the bus tomorrow.
Did we get 20 centimeters?
I don't know. Maybe 30?
Oh yeah.
They said 25 to 30.
Latrine.
Is that still going?
Yeah, it's still going. Why not? You do 13 minutes.
My God, this is crazy. I don't think I can go out tomorrow.
You have to clean all this crap
It's a lot here. How come the other side is not that much?
because he pushed it all here. There's a little.
Okay, where's your brush? Yeah, this is my husband's car. He's gonna clean up too. Oh my god, you got all this snow. It's difficult to get out. We have to shovel a lot.
We have to come back again.
Yeah, we'll come back later too because we cannot shovel everything now. We have a lot on this side and on them.
Have more on this side as well.
I don't know, I'm gonna get the other one from Justin. Hi, anak. Are you gonna shovel now? Oh, don't put it here. I don't think we can bring this out tomorrow. Just have to clean up and maybe take the bus. Yeah, after we clean up, this is how it looks like. Hi, anak. So now it looks clean, and we hope it can come out. Okay, let's go in.